In today's video, we will be baking chicken bread with vegetables just in time for the fall holiday season. So let's get started. Make sure you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. First, you will need a variety of ingredients. You will need a cut chicken breast, then orange, yellow, and red peppers. Next, you will need a quarter of an onion and 1 tomato. Start by slicing and chopping up the peppers, onions, and tomato on a cutting board. Next, you will need to season your chicken breast with garlic salt, seasoning salt, paprika, a bit of olive oil, and Worcestershire sauce. Once the chicken is seasoned, move it to a pan covered with aluminum foil and put your chopped vegetables on top. Then add a bit more of garlic salt to season your vegetables. Wrap the chicken and vegetables with the foil. Then apply an extra sheet of aluminum foil on top of the pan to keep it secure while it bakes. Put the pan in the oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees to bake. Once complete, take it out of the oven and unwrap the foil to see your finished product and enjoy.